Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new subject which is towards you because in the third standard you are having EVS 1 and now you are quite familiar with EVS 2. Okay, so uh, this is your revision of EVS 2. Okay, and the revision of lesson number 1, that is Maharashtra before Shivaji. So in this EVS 2 we are going to learn about the how whole history about the Shivaji Maharaj, means how was his living. We celebrate every year his birth anniversary every time, every in the month of February every year we celebrate Shiv Jayanti. So, and what Shivaji, how he implemented, what is his teachings are useful to us in today's life, we are going to see. So, now the first chapter, it is based on Maharashtra before Shivaji, means before the birth of Shivaji, who was ruling Maharashtra and the Maharashtra was under whose control, we are going to see. So Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. So we see that in the first sentence in the introduction part, Shivaji Maharaj was great man. The time he lived in medieval period. Now when did Shivaji Maharaj lived? He lived in medieval period. In those days, mortuary or rule privilege everywhere. Many kings owned pleasure and enjoyment instead of welfare. So before Shivaji, many kingdoms or many kings were there. They were enjoying the pleasure instead of welfare, means looking towards the people, they were enjoying themselves. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north. Now see the first picture, that is about Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north, means in the north Akbar was there. Now in the third standard you have studied the direction, that is north, south, east, west. So in the north Akbar was ruling. The green man who is there in the picture, he is Akbar. The bird is sitting in his on his hand, on his palm. And in the south, the downside, it was the Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar. These were very famous kings in history. Okay, so the second picture is about Krishna Dev Raya, means how he was, means you can get a clear idea how what picture or how they were looking, how the Akbar was looking and how the Krishna Dev Raya was looking. So these two were who were ruling all over India. In the north it was ruling by Akbar and in the south it was ruling by Krishna Dev Raya. Okay. So shall we move to the next point? Okay. Yeah. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. Now see what Shivaji Maharaj did when he saw that, he established Swaraj. Now what is mean by Swaraj? Swaraj means self-government, means our own government, our own rules. So he established that. See the second point, a large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now you can see the first picture in the slide. That is the first, they were the both who were ruling Maharashtra. The Nizam Shah, that is one is of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. They had divided Maharashtra among themselves and they were not liberal in their outlooks, means they were not giving importance to the Maharashtrian people and they were least bothered about the Maharashtra. So these two divided Maharashtra and they were ruling over Maharashtra. See the third point, they oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They oppressed means they started troubling to the people whom they were ruling. They were also sworn enemies of each other, means they were enemies of each other. They disliked each other, means they were not liking each other. They constantly fought against each other, means every time they were fighting with each other. Who was fighting with each other? The Nizam Shah and the Adil Shah. The Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now see the fourth point, that is the people could not celebrate festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. Now see, when the Adil Shah and the Nizam Shah, when they were ruling, the people were not, or they could not celebrate the festivals also openly. Okay, and they were not safe at their homes. Means how you are now safe at your home, they were not that much safe. Okay, there were many Vatandas like Deshmukh and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. People were tried to operations and were unhappy. Now you can see in the second pictures there are Vatandas, that is first one is Deshmukh and the Deshpandes. In Maharashtra there were many Vatandas who owned Jagir. They loved only their Jagirs and did not love and care about the people and the country. Means they were only in these Vatandas, they did not have any what we say, they did not have any justice towards the people. They were only own Jagirs, means they only were lacking the money from the people, and they were harassing the people, they were troubling the people to give the Jagirs. Understood? The second slide, do you understood, students? Yeah, I hope you have understood it very well, because see, the first point, it tells us Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj. Swaraj means self-government. There were two rulers. Who were the two rulers ruling over Maharashtra? It was first one is Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. And when they were ruling, people were happy? No, the people were not happy, and these both Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, they fight amongst each other continuously. And the people were, do the people were safe at when the Nizam Shah and Adil Shah ruled? No, the people were not safe, and they were not allowed to celebrate the festivals or worship the gods openly and freely. And the last point, that is there were Vatandas, that were the Vatandas were Deshmukh and the Deshpandes. So these were also harassing the people, and they were only looking for the Jagirs. They did not care about the people and about the country also. Okay, shall we move to the next point? Okay. And now see, Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. Now what did Shivaji Maharaj did? Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He brought Vatandas who fought among themselves. He used a plan to establish Swaraj. Now first thing what Shivaji Maharaj did, he saw everything, and after seeing that, he led a plan of establishing of Swaraj, and he made Vatandas fight among themselves. Means he did a plan that these Vatandas, the Deshmukh and these Deshpande, should fight with each other. Second point, see, he fought against the power that oppressed people and defeated them. Now the second point, what Shivaji Maharaj did, he oppressed the people. Means whatever the powers were there, he oppressed and defeated them. And the third thing, what he did, the third thing, he established Hindavi Swaraj. Now what is Hindavi Swaraj? Hindavi Swaraj is based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to the people of all caste and religions. Means there was no caste discrimination among the people. Shivaji Maharaj did not did any discrimination among any caste, and the people should get justice and people should get equal treatment and they should live very happily in the among the people. See the next point. Shivaji Maharaj made no decisions between Hindus and Muslims. Discussions means he did not discriminate among the Hindus and the Muslims. Means he was telling that the Hindus and the Muslims, we are brothers and we have to live and we have to fight for the Swaraj. See the next point. He honored the saints of all religions. Means whatever the saints matlab the priest which we called or which we called as Qazis, you know. Okay, Qazi Sahab jo bolte, Qazi Sahab, the saints of all priests. So these he honored everyone. Means he gave respect to every saint of every religion. During a period of about 3 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Now before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra and their work helped Shivaji Maharaj for successfully establishing Swaraj. And these saints, what he learned from the saint, means when he honored the saint, what he learned from that saint, he learned the successful establishment of Swaraj. Means whatever he learned, he used for the successful of Swaraj. So in the next chapter we'll see what these saints did, means how they influenced Shivaji Maharaj in the making successful of Swaraj, and what Shivaji Maharaj learned from these saints and what we are going to learn from these saints, we are going to see in the next chapter. I hope you have understood the lesson very clearly. There is a short video for you. Okay, so thank you students. Stay safe at home and be safe. Okay, there is a small video. Please look at it.
Maharashtra before Shivaji. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government. 350 years before Shivaji, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of Maharashtra was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. Adil Shah ruled over Bijapur. The people suffered due to the constant fightings of the kings. In Maharashtra, there were many Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. Shivaji established Swaraj to keep the people happy. People of different religions lived in Swaraj. There was no distinction in Swaraj. Shivaji sanctioned grants to the saints of all religions. Nizam Shah and Adil Shah had divided Maharashtra among themselves. There was misrule in Maharashtra.
Okay students, thank you. Stay safe, be safe and do take care of yourself as well as your parents also. Thank you.